Hi, this is Leslie Sobolski, and this is a brief training video for practitioners who would like to rebalance their clients' or patients' emotional energy quickly using a very brief form of EFT and the Body Mind Remedy Lotions by Biosource Naturals. This is particularly helpful for chiropractors, massage therapists, and physical therapists who would like to incorporate EFT into their practice, but due to lack of treatment time, do not have time to go into the client's issues. But with this procedure, you'll be able to assess their emotional energy patterns, determine the root cause, apply the lotion, and reset their emotional energy within 2 minutes. So first, this is a brief muscle testing procedure, and the first thing that we want to do is determine if the patient or the client is hydrated and testable. So to do that, we ask her to raise her arm and push up while I'm pushing down, and then put your 2 fingers slightly above the eyebrows. So go ahead and push up. Okay, and you can see the reflex, so she's hydrated as well as I am. It's important that the patient or client is hydrated, and the practitioner as well, so that the muscle testing is, you get a good result. So there are basically 4 areas that you want to test, and while holding up the arm, you go ahead and resist me. You're going to place your hand over the neck area, and you see a reflex there. Point across the chest, and you see one there. Over in the liver gallbladder area, and the stomach spleen area. And you see that all 4 areas are showing a reflex. That's actually a pretty common thing. If there's one area that starts to shut down, eventually all 4 areas of energies start to suffer. So usually one product will reset the energy flow, and this is what we'll test next. So if you have the client hold one of the products, this is Purification in her hand, and then we'll retest and see if this is an appropriate product for her. So hold your arm up, please. Okay, and you can see that we're still getting the reflex, so Purification will not help her. Okay, this is Courage and Clarity. Okay, hold your arm up. If you resist me, you see we're not really getting a good, her arm is still showing a reflex, so that is not going to correct her emotional and physical energy in her chi. Okay, here's Open Heart. Go ahead here. Okay, and the same thing. This is not the product that's going to help her. And then we'll try the Stress Relief. Okay, go ahead. Okay, and you can see that we're not getting a reflex, and that all 4 areas are showing a good emotional flow with the application of the Stress Relief. So if you can go ahead and put this on your neck, all sides of your neck and the top of your shoulders. Okay. And while she's doing that, basically what we're going to do is she's going to apply that in the area as directed. In the Stress Release case, it's all over the neck and the top of the shoulders. We're going to wait about 30 seconds. And then there's a very brief EFT tapping that a script comes with each of the remedies. And so I'm going to tap on these energy points, and this will help release the associated energy and then get the energy flowing throughout the body. Once we do that, I'll retest all 4 areas, and you can see how the energy's been reset. That's fine. Okay, so I'm going to do a little EFT, and this is tapping on some energy points, which are emotional, physical energy points on the face and the torso and the fingers. I'm just going to tap on a few words that are associated with this throat chakra and energy meridian. Okay, so just relax your arm. Okay, so overworked, overwhelmed, stressed, pain in the shoulder, pain in the neck. Overworked, overwhelmed, pain in the neck, stressed, pain in the shoulder, pain in the shoulder, overworked, stressed, tension, overwhelmed, overworked, pain in the shoulder, overwhelmed, overworked, pain in the shoulder, overwhelmed, overworked, pain in the shoulder, sinus problems, thyroid problems, pain in the shoulder, pain in the neck, tension, pain in the neck, pain in the shoulder, overworked, overwhelmed, feeling over-responsible, overworked, overwhelmed, overworked, overwhelmed, feeling tension, feeling stress, tension, overworked, overwhelmed, pain in the shoulder, pain in the shoulder. Okay, go ahead and take a deep breath. Okay. Many times clients will feel energy flow, or they'll report feeling lighter and more relaxed. Sometimes it's immediate. Sometimes it is a few minutes later, or it might be an hour or so later. But usually they'll start to notice a flow in energy and just feeling more peaceful and calm. And not only more calm, but actually more energetic at the same time. So let's retest her. Okay, hold your arm up for me. Okay. Okay, and you can see that now all the energy is flowing. Do you feel any different?
That's amazing. Because it was a complete different feeling when you were pushing on me, and I actually feel more circulation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, let's see here. Let's see your arm. Hold your arm up for me. Okay. Okay, and she was actually experiencing some pain in her shoulder, and now her shoulder, prior to this video, was actually showing quite a reflex. It does not show one now. So this has been a brief training video, and if you'd like more information about getting adding these remedies from BioSource Naturals into your practice, then there is a form to fill out to the left of this video, and thank you very much.